Let's talk about the outline that's due soon. When I evaluate your outline, I'll be looking for three things. I will be looking for your ideas, for your organization, and for your citations. But mostly what I'm interested in is that you have a good safety net for when it comes time for you to write your paper. So that should be your focus. I think it'll be pretty easy to get 10 points on this assignment, no matter how good your outline is. But in terms of having a useful resource when you go to write the paper, that's going to be much more valuable than those 10 points. So let's talk about how to approach this. In terms of your ideas, remember this: the more specific you can be, the better your outline will be. So what I'm most interested in with your outline, or I guess the ideas of your outline, are content and importance. When I look at your outline, I should get a sense of which ideas you think are the most significant and impactful. I should see more about them, and I should see more specifics about them. So if you have that, I think it's a safe bet that you have a more reliable outline than someone who doesn't. I will also be looking for the organization of your outline. So this will give me a sense of when you will talk about which ideas in your paper. There are various formats I will accept for your outline. You could do a formal traditional outline with Roman numerals and letters and numbers. You could do bullet points. You could do note cards. You could even do a draft. Once in a while, I'll have a student who says, I get the best sense of how I'll organize my ideas if I just start writing. That's fine. A draft can be an outline. But I will be looking for your sense of where you will talk about which ideas, how you will structure your paper. And don't forget to include a reflection in the conclusion of your paper. If you look at the packet that explains the project, page 1 will talk about how to approach your conclusion with a reflection piece where you discuss what parts of your research had the biggest impact on you. I will also be looking for citations in your outline. And what I said about ideas holds true for citations as well. The more specific you can be, the better. The question I'll be asking myself as I evaluate your citations will be, which source will support which point? Which bit of research is going to substantiate each point that the student is trying to make? If you have that laid out when you attempt to draft, you will have taken care of a huge confusing piece of this assignment. You will have created a roadmap for yourself to guard against getting tired and distracted while you're writing this paper. There isn't a required length for your outline, but here's what I've noticed. A specific outline tends to be about half the length of a paper. So if your outline is specific and it goes on for about 2.5 pages, that probably means your paper is likely to turn into around 5 pages of written work. I think that's everything. Good luck with the assignment, guys. I look forward to hearing what you have to say.